never know why this all arrest by me. So Evina and Tom is a madman and probably Tom not even take all him pill this morning and just come and full up my head with one bag of foolishness. Me no know, but it arrest by me really heavy, man. Look like me have got call mommy now. Look like me have got call mommy and just ask her for the last time I owe my father and wish part my father there. And no business if she go cuss me out. But me never too care, because my life is at a certain level right now when nothing worse can happen to me in a life, My life just hit rock bottom right now. So anything else will happen to me, I must up my life I go. I can't further down, because any further down, I must see underground, because it done the down this already. Me vex, man, me vex. Time just gonna stir up my head in me. But alright, sure. Me can't even bother. Me can't bother. You know, say me I call her though. Me I call her. I'm in a business if she want cuss and class me when time me ask her about my father, cause every time me even mention daddy, Remember when I time me like a school in a star and my parents day and daddy day and all them something there. And I come home and say, Mama wish for my father there. The woman cuss and class me say me mustn't ask her no question and me a like a pitney. Then I who me fi ask? I who me supposed to ask? All my life, me grow up the amount of uncle me have. And a uncle, one brother alone my mother have. Every 6 months is another uncle, sometimes even 3 months. You barely have one little uncle there around for a year. The man them just come and go. And when me get big, me find out, say, I know my uncle them for true. Boy, my life rough. But me I call her. I got take my cousin and class in the morning here. But me I call her and ask her. Cause from Tom tell me that it just rest by my mind. He come me like me just a look for a father figure in a hall of them manner where me there with. And if my father there out there, me need to get that from my father. So me I call her.
Hello, Ashley. How happen? How are you beg? Me nah no food on you, Ashley. Me nah have not have food on you for give you. And my worse and I know where you come stay. So if I that you call me and ask me out, Ashley, me even bother cause me nah not done you at all can give you.
No man, mommy then I go on. I saw things really gone bad between me and you. I saw you have to greet me. Hurricane just passing your daughter call you and I saw you greet your daughter. Not even hi Ashley, oh you doing everything alright with you and the hurricane, you alright. Nothing like that. No sir. More have to ask you a question, mommy. And when me do you so bad in a life make you hate me so? And when me do you? When me do you make you hate me so, mommy? When me do you? Me and you always pick me and you come in like you treat me worse more than everybody else. And when my father do you make you hate me so? Me really want to know. Because me no know no father. Everybody else know for them father. Me no know for me. And you just hate me for no reason at all. Me never do nothing hating, mommy. Me grew up, me coming like Cinderella in the house. Me do everything for please you. And all me get a classing. All me get a cussing. All me get a constant disrespect about me dirty poopa. Me dirty poopa where you never want to tell me about. Me dirty poopa where you say no exist. Me no know where to go on. What happened? What happened, mommy? Why you really hate me so? And when me, Ashley, do you some in a life, make you hate me so? I wagwan. That a way me want know. What happened in your life, make you hate you wanna pick me so? Me just call a decent in the morning, And one question would I really want to ask in the morning. To be honest, one thing make me call in the morning. And it's not for beg or nothing. And it's not for come around a Boardville and catch up in your place. One question I want to ask you. Who are my father? My father alive, and if him alive, just give me a name. That's it. Give me a name or give me a picture with a name or something like that. Something for me go work with. Just give me a name. Me no need not more than that from you. After that, me not go ask you no other question again about my father. I promise you that. If you just give me a name, I will never ever ask you another question about my father. Just give me something to work with.
Ah, boy. He coming like that set up on me in the morning, Ashley. Coming like that set up on me in the morning. Where you call me for, Ashley? Where you call me for and I bother my brains in the morning boat? Where you call me for, Ashley, and just a bother my brains both father. Ashley, you know no pooper you ever see no man come round yet and claims you. All of me other picking them father in their life and come round them. You ever see none come round and come claims you yet? You ever see that?
No, mommy, me never see none come round come claim me yet. And that's why me there asking her morning here, who am my father? Who am my father? Just tell me who am my father. But well on. The younger way me couldn't have a father, you know. But me ask her a question, mommy. Are you breed yourself?
But you see me down child in the morning, though, God. You see me down child in the morning. Ashley, why you try me for it in the morning? Why you try me for it in the morning? You know say me is a little mad gal in Ashley, and me would just come over your house, come stamp up in your face, you know. You feel so true you get big, you feel so true you grow up, you feel so true you a tech man, you know. You feel so afraid to come stamp up in your face, Ashley. I know you chat to me in the morning, I know you chat to me in the morning, I'm back up in Ashley. Back up before me have to come stamp up in your face.
No, sir. But seriously, mommy. All of this because me ask you who am my father, mommy. All of this. Beat up and stamp up in her face just because me ask a question. No, sir. Mommy, me sorry. Mommy, me sorry. Me sorry from the bottom of my heart, mommy. Me sorry. I really never want to ask you nothing neither, you know. But me see the little mad boy Tom in the morning, yeah. And Tom a tell me some things saying no my father. And him say my father well off in a life. And mommy me a suffer. You a suffer. Everybody down here a suffer. And if my father can help me in a life, mommy, why you not just tell me who am my father? Just give me a name, mommy. Me a beg you a name. Give me a name and a picture where me can work with, mommy. Please. Me know you must have something can give me for my work with. That's all me ask you, mommy. Mommy, just please, mommy. Me grow up without a father. Me no want to continue just live so without a father. Everybody have them father, you know, mommy. Every other people where you have them father, you know. And me alone, you know. Oh, God, mommy, man, it unfair, man. Me I beg you, please, mommy. Just tell me one name. Just give me one name, mommy, please.
But all you big and walkless and careless boy you sit down and have conversation with a little mad boy at the time. What time know about you and father? What time know about me and man? And what time did daddy account the strokes them when time me I get you? Oh, sir, you big and fool like our hey girl. Come off of my phone with the foolishness. And nobody come calm the back with no more foolishness about Tam and no father nothing. You know no poopa, Ashley. Any poopa where you want to have and me alone, the dead with you. You see no more man? And me and your poopa, Ashley. Yes, me breed myself. Me and your poopa. Hey, hon. Have you heard from Rachel?
Not at all, my darling. I have not heard a peep out of Rachel all morning.
What? Really? Oh, that girl is getting on my last nerve.
She's getting on your last nerve? But why? I keep telling you, woman, that you keep worrying about the wrong things.
Don't tell me I'm worried about the wrong things. Imagine a hurricane just passed, and she didn't even call to check up on us.
Stop worrying yourself for me. Rachel is fine. Rachel is just being rebellious and acting out right now because you and her had an argument. She's fine. Trust me. Rachel is okay.
Ernie, I think we've lost our daughter to that vagabond ghetto boy Brandon. I just want so much more for her.
Woman, I've sit and allowed you to say whatsoever it is that you wish to say about Brandon, but what I will not do and will never do is allow you to discriminate a place that is very much similar to where I came from. I too is a product of the ghetto and I turned out quite well. I may be looked upon as an uptown person right now, but I will never ever forget my roots or where I came from. So don't you dare discriminate ghetto people, because that is where your husband came from. That is where your daughter has her roots on my side of the family from. So don't you dare look down on us. Don't you dare. Remember where I came from. Remember how we met. Remember our story. So do not look down on people from the ghetto because you were born uptown.
It's your mommy, baby. You know me never mean it like that.
How this a text me, you know, I come bother my peace in the morning, yeah. Summer, sure. Let me look pan. How this? Oh, mommy, I wish she text me for long. Better say I some sort of disrespect she come back with right now, no. Well, I'm read this day. Your father's name is Herbert, and here is his picture. The only thing that I have left of him. It is a young picture, but it is him. Herbert. Then what kind of name that Herbert? Then he couldn't get one normal little name like Hubert, Philbert, Hebert, or even just plain old Bert. Why am I name Herbert? Them female never say one girl name that. Patriotic. Hey, hey. Whoa. Ashley, your father named Herbert. But what? I guess that's something this to me work with still. Picture I look pretty young though. That picture here look pretty young. I don't know about I gotta start search by Instagram, search by Facebook, I gotta search everywhere, see if I can find somebody who resemble him. At least she send me something to work with. You know, all these years me ask her, she know, boy, I tell you. Look like her conscience did a ride her this morning after me done talk to her. She could have feel the pain or hurt in my voice. So that's why she said come give them. So the mad boy never did a tell no lie at all. Mad boy never did a tell no lie. Mad boy know exactly what a clock a strike. And he needs to go find him and talk back to him. I wonder which part I'm there now. I wonder if him down at the same abandoned building where me did see him. Let me walk go down there go see if me see him, cause me need for show him the picture to find out if that man him did attack. Cause if that man him did attack, me have to go work with him and see what him know and see who him know and see if me can pencil everything together and see if me can find this brother here. Cause me need my father. Me need my father. Especially me here say things are going for my father. Me don't say I dirty get to a suffer. No sir. Me need to find my father now. Damn! Then I whole building there. Ashley, I call you. Come here if you hear me. Come here there, please. I beg you, come here. I have something to ask you.
How that, Ashley? Yeah, man, me in here. Give me a minute there, Ashley. Me a forward. Give me a minute there. Me a forward. Hey, Ashley, what's up? What's going on? You good? What's up?
Look on the picture up on my phone for me that time. Look on the picture up on my phone. I made it talk about. I may say come from over borderline. I may say I'm a mother did a deal. I may say I'm a father. Look on the picture good and tell me if I am. You know him? Talk to me now, Tom. You know him?
But ratty George. Yes, man, I am, man. No Herbert, this man. Yes, man, I see him Herbert from over borderline, man. I may talk about Ashley. This man here, are your father. You know, see how you and him look alike? Just look on Herbert bone structure. Look on him face. Look on your face. Are your father this man? Dead stamp on you. Yes, Ashley. I am this Herbert.
Whoa, Herbert. Yes, I see him there, me get to. I see him there, me get them. Herbert. So I really, that's what I did call him back in the days there. Now, so the most did have some sort of nickname for him, and I couldn't Herbert, everybody call this a man.
You know, so nobody never really to call him, so I just people away, man, him grew up with, know him from school days, and him think they would have call him so. Mostly everybody just call him Bert, man. You don't know in our streets, Bert. I hate that, eh?
All right, me like the Bert better. This Herbert business, you know, sit well with me at all. But I am a father already still, so I need to do some work, you know, to find this brother. See, you can't help me. You can't pipe me in the right direction, which part me can't find him, anything at all. You don't know nobody where might know him or anything like that. Me need some help. Me need to find my father. And you alone right now, me I help me. Please, Tom, me I beg you, do help me.
Yeah, man, little more when time I done cook, man. Me I walk go look one pan of coal and over go light up a little fire and make some breakfast and I eat. So after I done then me just walk go over BaddaDan and go see if me see nobody where me know from back in the days when I know him and find out and see which part me can locate him for you. Alright? Me have you, man. No worry yourself, man. I got deal with it, man. Me I walk go around the road and I go look one pan of coal. So what, mash me? You know nothing can make me a pan of coal.
You know, me did just a wait on it. Cause me know say you always want beg something, you know, you always want help with something, figure deal with something that are just you all the time. But so I $500 still because you make my mother even send me them information here. So you deserve it that time around you. So go and go get up on a coal and come make your breakfast and do what you have to do and go over BaddaDan. Anytime you get enough of my information, come link me down on the free. You know which part me rest already. Come link me.
Thank you, Ashley. Thank you. That $500 I go a long way for me in idea. As me done cook my food, so me I walk go over BaddaDan to get the information for you. And me never stop till me find somebody who can tell me something. You can count on me here, Ashley. You can count on me here later.
Officer, I want you to go for the prisoner them called GeeGuh and escort him to my office right away. Take him to me immediately.
Yes, sir. Right away. I will go and get him right now. Your boy Jigga make sure say not try nothing funny, you know. But I feel like say you mean I want skirt me afraid for fire my gun by you and a boy. Make sure say you're not trying nothing funny. So just try remain cool, calm and collective. Me escort her to the superintendent's office. Remember, if you run, you gotta drop a gum.
Go easy the man, squaddy. Go easy the man. What kind of run you talk about, squaddy? You don't have man cuff up in this place. You don't have man lock way. Where you talk about run, this part me I go run go. And around a cell block me I come from and I go through police station. Which part me I go run go, squaddy? Go easy, man. Come here like I just body one bad up smaddy in my man, man. But hear what? GeeGuh had a weak fence to feel come tumble down pan. You hear that? You need for ask a fellow officers them both who may be. Hawks Officer Brown, Hawks Officer Williams, both GeeGuh. Me know a youth for you play with, yeah, like a lady. Just go easy.
Hear me, I say, man. Stop your chattings, man, and just walk. Hear that? See, boy Jigga, you know, super. Be a tough chat, you might give me one time I carry him come over here, you know. But I know yes. Now I gotta stand up right out this still so I can have the conversation with him. Alright, super. Me the outside.
Yo, GeeGuh, sit down there, so. Sit down on a chair there in front of you. Sit down.
Alright, my general, me I go sit down. What do you may I say? What this for? Why go on the general? Me don't even know why me they don't say in a general. Me don't do nothing in a general, so me want know why me they are jail. How I go on?
You know exactly what go on in a GeeGuh, so nobody come play like say you're on a sense, you know. You know exactly what go on. How who shoot BaddaDan? That's what we want to know. Which one I want to shoot BaddaDan? Is either you or your friend or tool or one of your little goons them pan your ends. Which one I want to shoot BaddaDan? That's a question.
You know, so me never told up on the ends when time to shooting I go on do my general. Never did it still. And me put me ears on the ground when time I come in back I hear so that go on and thing on. And I hear say one of the man them wanna lick down pan the front when time wanna run in pan the ends of the one of them man they knocking still. So, me never too have no whole heap of information cause them two man they get knocked so me never know. One more me can do right, you know. If we did get a little chance till if I talk to them then me could have find out, but that's all me know, my boss. Me just hear say one of them two man they wanna knock when time wanna run in pan the place. And one of them one they touch BaddaDan. That's all me know.
You know, I said me send call every reason with you upon a man levels. I swear say you did a go level with me like a big man, but I see you take me for fool still. See you take me for fool. GeeGuh, listen to me. Me know you as a top criminal in a place long time and no boy upon your ends can pick up gun and go fire shot without your consent. Either you are a tool officer enough upon that. Now boy in them right mind for to take GeeGuh strap and just go slap shot, slap can and go on with themself out the road. And you don't know about it? Nah man, tell somebody else that we don't know you from nowhere. We don't know how you run your ground tight and with respect na boy around that. Nah do that without your knowledge. So come again, GeeGuh. Come again. Furthermore, you what? Don't worry yourself, man. They'll just send you back around your cell back and me and make sure so them put you back in that same cell there, where they just a ball boat officer, police and all kind of thing. They'll put you back in your cell, man, with the matches laying down, man. Since as of that you want, don't worry yourself, man. Right back around them I can put you. And then we can hold our reasoning after that. How my son?
General Star Officer, I saw you deal with my star when time here you say that you come with like my belly start cut my star officer, you man say officer. Like a whole lot reasoning with it, but me I beg you, please beg you, I use our fight bike, me I beg you officer. Beg to your police them escort me got the bathroom this time. I really need full off a real ride right now, officer. General Star, my belly cut me.
Officer, escort Jigga to the bathroom right away. But make sure that you watch him. He's slippery as an okra. Don't let him out of your sight one bit.
Me done want him already in a super. Me want him from me I carry him over here, so no bother with him foolishness. Cause if him run, me I go gun him down.
Officer, me nah go run, officer. Officer, me nah run. Remember, say me dey jail for nothing, you know. Me nah do nothing and they don't a jail, say, you know. So we make a run for. Officer, me nah run. Yo. General Star, belly cut me star. Me no know what caused this by me in idea star. Yo, Chano. Belly star. Yo. Judge I got.
Yo, baby, so you really have to go? Chano Star. Sorry, so you have to leave, though, man, nah lie. I enjoy the time that we spent together. I really do hope that we can do this more often still. I'm not lie, baby. Really do enjoy your company. You're such a fun person to be around.
Oh, Brandon, thank you so much for saying that. I enjoyed your company too. And thanks for having me in your home. Much appreciated.
The pleasure is all mine, baby. The pleasure is all mine.
I just dread going back home because I know my mom must be going off the chain right now. Especially because I didn't call or say anything to her before I left.
You know me not have much to say when time it come on to your mother and her nature, but your mother is a very interesting character. That's all I will say.
Interesting character, you say? I call it cuckoo bird crazy.
Well, better you say it than me, but trust me, I gonna miss you still, my baby. I gonna miss you.
Oh, Brandon, don't make me sad. I'm gonna miss you too.
Oh, my stomach feels so, man. Yeah. Oh, my stomach feels so. Also, I feel like I want to chop. Run got a bathroom, I feel like I want to chop, star. Feel like I want to chop. No, sir. No, sir. My stomach feel like way still, man. Oh, Jesus. Where this vomit come from? Boo. No, sir. No, sir. How I feel so? Jesus. God. And it smell bad too, you see? My God. But wait. Hold on a little bit. Then me not supposed to see my period from my day. Then me check that phone and check that calendar. Cause me not understand how me not get a visit from my sister from way when. Potlucks. Me think late about 2 weeks now, almost 2 weeks. I wonder it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Lab, God, Jesus Christ. No, Pinky. No, Pinky. No, Pinky. Jesus Christ, Pinky. No, not tell me, say it. No, Pinky, no. Father God, please, Father God, me I beg you, Father God.
do, Father God. Please, Father God. Now make a breed, me a breed for BaddaDan.
Yo, bad charge, what go on? Everything good? You know, so me have one reason you have to chat to you about though. Where you there, pa?
You know what's my day, I know. I just there go and watch your pre, man. Where you there, pan? You good?
Yeah, man, I wear some man, me well Gucci down a certain way, man. I wear some man, everything cool pa my side, man. But you know, I want to give you one reason though. I want to show you that one pre. You know, so what day me and Tuggy have all one reason though, and the general I show me a little one flick. You know, say I want BaddaDan make little chase to lose him life though. BaddaDan make the police there murder a little youth, man. And guess what go on? Feared insult to injury. Get fi understand, say man, force me until me spunsy. Fi even pay for his strap in a star. The strap where police them take off him after them lick him down, kill him, you know. And me spunsy have to pay for that in a star. Chiano star me I tell you, so yo, the thing cut me deep. Right now, if you cut me, you know, yo, you never seen no blood bad charge for tell you how me feel like way star. Yo, the one BaddaDan look out for the youth, you know, man. Them man that just deal with things for themselves. Them man they selfish, bad. Them man they not pray and look out for you, none at all. That's right, you know. A tuggy, a general. Yeah, man, the man they look out for you better, man, because the man all I say, man I show BaddaDan. I say, yo, the youth just drop out star, I could jump around and make me spunsy alright a certain way, and man ain't take no talk, man, so me spunsy have to pay for that star. So the whole of the woman like a savings or she have her like a pension money where she collect. Everything she have to scoop together and make sure say strapped by her back, cause you don't know them boy the BaddaDan female do cheap on him girl. Send go liquor with certain way as it. So yo, me just make you know this still as a brethren still say yo. I have to go switch up the thing, man. A tuggy a general right, you know, cause we have to look out for who look out for we, you know, badge of it. You see it? We have to look out for who look out for we.
Jano star bad charge. I saw BaddaDan deal with the shops. Can't believe what you say still. Jano star. Them man they are heartless, them man they not look out for youth. Them man they just deal with things for suit for them own interest. Can you imagine the man drop out and you force the man grand if you buy a back strap star? Jaja God. Yo, you're right still, you know. Tuggy with your link with come. See that from a taller time, say the man they check for you differently, man. The man they check for you differently. Say, alright, better we start roll with Tuggy straight and go and play shame face in front of BaddaDan when him come out of jail, make him feel like everything is everything, but you don't know what loyalty there with Tuggy cause them man they respect and I look out for you.
Yo, Jano star, come alarm, I didn't need to release the load this time and I lie, yo, my belly feel better, my belly feel light. But yo, what on me? I never look at toilet paper for the toilet roll empty star, then when I gotta use the clip. Yo, Jano star, cheer God. Newspaper, now that alone me see me put up. So me big man have to go use newspaper right, you know. What kind of style is in this a police station they want? Just use this and get up star, go finish talk to them police there in the car, right, you know, more for that, my yard.
Officer, them a run bedang, officer, them a run bedang and I take the picture. See them there, officer, see them there, officer, them a run bedang and I take the picture, officer.
Then big man, what that have to do with the police? What that have to do with the police? The people are running down and I take a picture. That is not a criminal offense. We're coming at the police station with that for.
Alright, officer, me here. But I can't give no alcohol use of a bathroom, please, officer. Please, me really need to use the bathroom. Please, me a big officer. Big guy use of a bathroom.
Yeah man, you can go use the bathroom man. Straight down the hall and then make the first lift and the bathroom that right there, sir.
No, sir, come like me salt more than anybody else. I will go on, sir. Come like them build this a police station here in a one aquarium. Man, them put me in a cell with matches and fish and now look here. I'm the park attendant. No, sir, me salt bad. go make sure my case and go talk to the police then. Cause I really need to live out ya.